So good. Hey folks, it's Stacy here. A Dad in the Burbs. adadintheburbs.com. Baked some bread this weekend. Sourdough. Look at this. Oh, I wish I'd focused a bit tighter on that, the crumb of that bread. It doesn't rise up too much. And look at this one here. A nice split right down the center. Watch what happens. Watch what happens. Look at that. Oh, took it up to 205 degrees internal temperature. There you go. Look at the way it's split open like that. That had a beautiful crust. There it is. 205 degrees inside. And then this other one, this is my third loaf here. I baked it in my cast iron, my field cast iron. Oh. There, beautiful crumb on that one. Beautiful bread baking at its finest. See ya.